Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to GM OnStar connected services, detailed guide step by step clearly. Check the OnStar availability in your model by looking at the owner's manual or visiting the GM website. Next, locate the OnStar button in your vehicle. Press the button to connect with an OnStar advisor. Provide the advisor with your vehicle identification number, VIN. This VIN can usually be found on your vehicle registration or the driver's side door frame. Discuss the various subscription plans available with the advisor. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. After selecting your plan, provide the advisor with your personal information. This typically includes your name, address, and payment information. Confirm your subscription details with the advisor before finalizing. Once confirmed, the advisor will activate your subscription. You will receive a confirmation email or message to indicate that your services are active. For additional assistance, download the OnStar app from your device's App Store. Log in using the same credentials you provided during your subscription. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with the features available to you. You are now ready to enjoy the benefits of GM OnStar connected services. Drive safely and stay connected on the road. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.